Hello everyone and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to take the emotes that you already have and turn them into animated emotes. Now pretty much everyone on Twitch has the Animated Emotes Slots. I see many people don't have them uploaded just yet, and using this website you could take your emotes that you already have and turn them into animated emotes with just a simple few clicks. And now what exactly am I talking about here? So what we're talking about, so if you go here and you look at my emotes, so you have like my happy emote, all these fun emotes down here, but so you look up here, you have like my OO, right? And now I have a shaking OO. Raid, Rainbow Raid, Hypes, Rainbow Hype, Party. That's actually the head of the happy emote. That's down here. But anyways, so you could take your emotes that you already have created and then turn them into these animated emotes that your viewers can then, and your subscribers can then use. So where you're going to go is you're actually going to go over to makeemoji.com. So I'm going to go ahead and make the link bigger right above me. So there it is, makeemoji.com. So it's super simple. What you're going to do is you can click choose file. And I have the uwu one in there right now. Let's go ahead. Let's put the derp in there. So you click that. And after you click that, you're going to see your emote down here in a bunch of different fashions. Now you can up the speed, make them faster, make them spastic, honestly. You can make them rainbow. You can change the direction at which they come in. There's a bunch of different features that you can then edit to make them your own. But now how do you grab them from here? Super simple. So you want the super spastic pet. You click it. It downloads, and that's it. Then you go back over to Twitch, you click upload, and you upload the emote and give it a new title, and then you got yourself some animated emotes. So if you did find that useful, please be sure to like, subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.